A powerful electric pressure washer from a name you trust. The ePX 3100V from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 2,100 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 1.76 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the ePX 3100V. Use the adjustable foam cannon for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The turbo nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats, RVs, or as a final rinse. The 25 and 15 degree nozzles are for deep cleaning wood, brick, and concrete, or for reaching those high and hard to reach places like gutters and chimneys. The ePX 3100V is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free abrasion-resistant hose connect to a portable cleaning companion. 2,100 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest jobs. From Westinghouse, the ePX 3100V.